turns out this little baby window here didn't turn out as bad as we thought it was. We got a little arbitron repair we have to do here, but pretty much it's intact. Well, we got a little arbitron repair on that side too we're gonna go ahead and do. But yeah, she's ready to go. Now, our original, how we start off today, okay, well, you know, we are in the middle of putting it back together right now. So, you know, I've got my sill that I made, and I've got my jam legs in place, complete with my doors. All right, and this one's still loose. I gotta put my sill in, across right here, and keep on putting it together. Wow. Yeah, I'll be okay when it's all done. All back together. Ready to be boarded up for today. Not bad. Nice. Not bad for a week. Beautiful work, Israel. Working like it should. Cool. These are sashes from the Brooks house. We're gonna remake these today. Oh, look at all that. It's pretty nasty and gnarly there. This one doesn't even have a meeting rail anymore, and the muntins are starting to go. And we're gonna make 3 sets of these. These are bad. So, all right. So I got a sketch of what we're making. I got the sizes here, and I got the quantities here in parentheses. 3 sets of these, and 1 set of that. I just made this Sash Factory here out of reclaimed fir plywood. Man, this stuff smells so good. And this is what we're going to use to make the those Brooks sashes. Give it on its first maiden voyage there, and we're going to use this Spanish cedar here. I'm starting to cut my blanks right now. Back at the Brooks house. All our repairs are done. Our wood is sufficiently dry. And Scott is putting the final touches on these frames. Wow. That looks really good. Man, who would have known what it looked like before? That's pretty incredible, actually. Man. Love it. All right, grabbing out some sashes. Take over there. Oh man, those don't look nice. Oh man. Nice, fresh Sash Factory work. Tight lines. Beautiful. All right, so we're gonna fit these bathroom sashes over here on the ground. Hopefully they fit. Other ones in the kitchen fit really nice. And those to Scott, he's just gonna put them in position. And he's gonna just put a screw underneath it to hold it up. And I'll hand him the other one. We'll have a look. Let's see. Maybe it'll fit perfect. Almost fell. What do you think? Oh man. I got a little bit here I gotta push up. Just like a hair. So it's just a little bit on this side, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of like the last one.
All right. You got all that? Keep it going. Let's see what happens. Maybe it'll fit. There you go. Oh, dude, that looks sexy.
Brand new.
That goes up. Yeah, that's good, man. Well, all right. Well, that's kind of anticlimactic on how you fit a sash, but that's how you fit a sash. And now that it's fit, we can go ahead and do the finishing. And we can, after the frame is finished, you know, like this over here. After that's done, then it's just a matter of hanging them. The 150? Yeah. Here, go ahead and hand those to Scott. Let's see if these things fit. Yeah, you got ropes, that's how you do it, right? You put them on the ropes and lift them all the way up. See how he's doing that? All right, now this is where the real mastery is shown. Wait a minute. Those look a little bit too short. What happened? Must be the new guy.
It wasn't me.
Hard to find a good helping.
I don't know what happened. I mean, I measured the sash, the shop, and everything. I guess that really kind of illustrates why doing stuff on site is better sometimes. I mean, what's that? Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad they're not glazed. Right. All right. Well, we're gonna have to go and make a couple of new sashes, I guess. Figure out what I did wrong. So the rough opening is 34. Okay, and you know that one's 38. So I'll go see what I did. Now I got a couple of nice sample sashes. They're really nice though. Okay, that's weird, right? So that's the sash I made wrong. Obviously, it's not the same as that top sash. But look, my bottom sash, I went off the bottom sash because it was complete. You know, from there to there, I took my measurement. It didn't occur to me that this one would be longer. So I guess bottom sash was borrowed from another job. Well, I'll have to make some new ones. Boom. All right, so I guess I'm gonna get the glass size. What's this? This is 16-inch glass size. Okay, that makes sense. 16. This is gonna be 19 1/4 and 20 1/4. Wait a minute, that's not right either. 19 1/4 is the size of the bigger window of the 38. Huh. Makes sense. 19 plus 20 over there. Huh. So over here, I've got a 34-inch opening, and I guess these are sized for a 30. So these need to be 17 1/4 and 18 1/4. I'll try that out. Neither of those two sashes is right. Which sash is right? I don't know. But I know what the opening is, and that's what I probably should have measured, but usually you can measure the glass. I mean, who knows? All right, we're gonna time it. It's 3:04 right now. See how long it takes to make two new sash. They look like this and that. 3:04. Boom, my 3 light and my 1 light, 3:43. How long is that? I'm not sure. I'll have to add that up. But there we go. Oh man, this is such a nice, beautiful specimen too. All right, let's go back and refit that guy. Well, let's see if these corrected sashes work. Oh my goodness. How embarrassing. But you know what? Okay, so the bottom sash was legit. I mean, it was the same size, matching size as the one I made. right? And the top sash is the same size as the ones over here for the bigger opening. So neither of the sashes was the right size.
Well, if you're gonna do it.
All right, let's try this again. Ready?
It feels
It feels better?
more. It feels like we're in there.
It feels like the right
The
spot?
ropes went on easier.
Okay. Oh man. Good?
About an 8, huh?
About an 8, huh?
It's straight though.
Okay, well, I'd like to take it off the top.
Okay.
Boom. All right. So, right here, Israel. That's so funny. Oh, that's so funny. Okay. See what he says. All right, try it again. Perfect. Okay, bottom sash. 16th?
Yeah.
Okay. Notice I put it on my shoes so as not to bang up the top on the brick. Okay.
Yeah.
That's it? All right. Come on. Yeah. Still good? All right, here. Hand it back, I'll mark it. Yeah. This is what, N3? No, S3.
Yeah.
Yeah, he helped. He's my master mortiser, man. Master mortiser, Korban and photographer, filmer.
Hey, gotta be good at something.
S3.
Great job, guys. I took 2 trips.
Well, that's the fancy. That's the great thing about having the Sash Factory, man. And you can like make a mistake like that and still recover. And like, dude, it took us less than 40 minutes. It took us almost as long to drive there and back. All right. Oh man, look at these guys. Dude, those are nice. He says, just look at them. It's wonderful. Excellent. We do good work.